Hey guys, it's Melissa, and I'll be singing Let It Go. I'm gonna go get some water in my thing, and start. Okay, I'm back. I'm doing something on YouTube. Saying, the snow glows white on the mountain, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom like a horizon, and a blue skies and the sea. Wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. And the diamond won't that can be, he's up before you inside. You know, no, let it go. I know that I anymore. Let it go. And I won't stand myself. I don't care what they're going to say. I got my job. Cold never bothered me anyway. We have some distance. Everything seems small. And the fears once controls me. That gets me at all. Time to reach I can do. That's the limit. Embrace you. Right, no wrong, no rules for me. I breathe. Let it go, let it go. I know that that's anymore. Let it go, let it go. When the waves slam your door, here I stand, and here I stand. As the storm rages on. Spiraling, frozen shadows all there's a light, I can make you black. Never going back, the past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. And the wind slam the door. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the sun shine. Cold never bothers me anyway. Bye. Thanks for watching.